Hey guys, we're here in Cluj, Romania, and today we're going to give you a little sneak peek in what it's like to be on a TEM Lab. This is our view from our apartment. Now we got to get to the office and do some work.
Alo? Salut! Sunt eu, un haiduc și te rog iubi.
So before any day starts, we make our little walk to a special place. Where are we going, Rob?
We're going to Panama.
What's Panama?
Has the best croissants and pastries you'll find in all of Cluj-Napoca.
I'm really excited. Thank you.
Hello. Strudel with caramel. I got a strudel with caramel.
So we're here at Service Tech. This is the building right behind us. The name of the company is actually really cool. They play off a Romanian phrase.
Yeah.
I think it's like service stall.
Yeah, service stall. Yep.
So they hope to develop a solution for app development and software development that provides a solution to everybody. Can I do this?
Sure.
Oh, great. But yeah, you probably only know of Transylvania. You're probably familiar with that whole story.
Dracula.
Dracula, you know, blah, 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 blah. I want to suck your blood. That's what I thought of when I came to Romania, which is true. That's what it used to be, but it's really grown and it's continuing to grow.
And it's been interesting in our research before we got here. The city that we're in Romania, Cluj-Napoca, it's actually a pretty big tech area. Being a small tech company that they are, they don't have a lot of business understanding yet. Their deliverables of these development in apps or other software is phenomenal. We have this opportunity to help them learn how and develop a sales and a business plan and strategy and implement it and hopefully really grow their business, not just here locally, but across Europe and across the world.
We are having lunch with the company. So we're here with Diana.
Hi.
She's pretty awesome. She's telling us just a little bit about what she does here.
Hi, so my name is Diana. I've been working in Service Tech for 2.5 years, and I'm working with Java, which is a programming language for the server side of an application.
So I'm here with my new friend Daniela, another employee of Service Tech. She's going to tell us a little bit about what she does here for the company.
I'm the team leader of the Android team, and I'm also developing apps.
And do you have an app that was like your favorite app that you've ever worked on?
I think one of my favorite is the one for the Romanian government. And it was an app where you could show if an event or something bad happened. And it was really big and challenging for me.
Fun fact that only 50 years ago people traveled by horse and buggy. So
That was funny. And
yeah. We got shawarma. That's what we love to eat.
Shawarma's my life.
Here we are at the end of the day. Some new comfy clothes, just relaxing. We were able to do a lot of great meetings with the company, and we were able to just meet with a lot of great people and talk with them and work with them today. I'm pretty happy.
Great, effective day. We worked really hard, shared some little nuggets with the client, and they seem pretty excited about what we're putting together, and we're working well as a team.
Yeah, we have a great team out here in Romania. Hey Rob.
Rob,
Come on in.
why don't you join us? We're just having a nice little combo with our friends.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Just talking about the TEM Lab and what we love about it.
Well, it's been a really interesting experience, I guess, for all of us. I've never been to Romania. I've never had any experience with Romanian people. I think that while we've had some challenges, we've certainly had a lot of ups. You know, we're just here to help them move forward.
Yeah, I agree. It's crazy how emotionally attached you can get to a company. We've only been here 2 weeks. This is the start of our 3rd week, yeah, and I already feel so connected with them, and really just want to work hard to not let them down.